I'm in Susan Hurd's house, and she's going to teach us how to make a bow.
Okay.
So I picked out this ribbon, but there's lots of different ribbon choices. 2-inch, 3-inch, there's ribbon with cardinals, and there's, I think, a little bit of wire in here, right, Susan? So I'm taking this plaid ribbon here on this big roll. So Susan, how long of a piece do I need to cut?
Oh, we don't cut until the end.
Oh, we don't cut till the
We
end.
make a tail first.
So our tail looks like about 1 foot long, and then see how she made this little loop here, and then she pinched it. So now we have a loop and a pinch, and she's calling this a tail. And what's our next step?
Start twisting. Okay.
So, all right.
And then we scrunch.
Scrunch.
Twist and scrunch.
All right, so I'm
Twist right here. Twisting and then
Twist.
before you make a loop.
All right,
Twist right in the
twist.
center.
and then
You make this
loop, and then scrunch. This is the
scrunch
scrunch.
and twist.
All right, scrunch.
Hold. You have to hold all that together.
This is really hard. And twist. 1 twist, 2 twists.
Once, and then you have to hold it all.
Oh, this is tricky.
Yes, it is.
Okay, twist.
Twist, and then make a loop out. Make a loop with your ribbon.
This way. Doesn't matter which way it goes out.
Nope. But you want it about the same size as the second one that you made. The one that you made.
So this-ish. Good. And then scrunch. Scrunch. This is so much harder than I ever thought it would be. I'm telling you, for me, you make it look easy. I've seen you make bows, and this is easy. All right, so I'm twisting, and then where should the wire go on this?
Right in
little-
the center where your fingers
So
are.
like just like that. Okay, so wire.
And then the big thing is to twist it. Really, really hard.
So notice we
here.
just have a little bit of this. I don't know, what would you call this, Susan?
Number 22 green wire.
So then how many loops, what's a standard bow? This looks like 6 loops. So is a standard bow 6, and then the more loops, the bigger the bow? Is that kind of the idea? So you could do as many loops as you want.
Right.
Right, and then we trim, and then that's that.
Hey, Carol's got a question.
And Carol, question?
Yes, the first loop that you put on, you make sure it was smaller than the rest.
Right.
So the first loop you put on is small, and then you make the bigger loops around it.
All right, this is gorgeous.